What's up, Boss Lady Crew? We back with another video. So today we're going to be making some vegan chicken Alfredo. Y'all, this are all the ingredients we're going to be using. And I'm going to tell y'all so one by one. I'm just showing y'all so y'all know what to get from the store. So we're going to start with the broccoli, a little bit of butter, and a little bit of vegetable and water. And then we're going to take those vegan nugget, little chicken things, and we're going to put them in the air fryer. Then we go, translucent our onions with some butter. We need that much butter, that much garlic. You know what I'm saying? Don't talk about my little spoon. I wasn't trying to cook with it. I was trying to, scoop the garlic out. Then we taking the vegan cream cheese. Mind y'all, I had put some, with that butter and them onions, I put a little bit of milk in there. Just a little bit. And I'm talking about vegan, everything vegan. And then I took that plant-based vegan cream. You can go to Walmart, Whole Foods, Heynis, and find these different vegan dairy. But it's not real dairy, it's vegan. So, and then that's vegan as well, the Parmesan cheese. And I put that in there. So that's what's going to turn it all white, baby. We about to get it popping. It's going to be so good, y'all. The best vegan. I said it. And then we're going to use my favorite cheese. Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo. Because it's not chicken. It's chickpeas Alfredo. And we putting our seasons in there. So we putting some salt in there. Because, I like my food seasoning, baby. I don't want it if it ain't seasoned. And I keep telling y'all. Pepper. What else we put in there? We put a little garlic, a little onion. See? This, and I don't measure, y'all. So don't be in the comments talking about, Simone, how much? I don't know, baby. I don't know. And then we got the chili powder, the paprika, baby. I put all of that in there. I boiled my noodles already. I ain't got to show you how to boil noodles. Look at that. Ooh, the best Alfredo ever. Then I'm going to take my broccoli and mix it all in there with that little chicken, that vegan chicken. But y'all, I do recommend that y'all get, if you don't want the chicken, the vegan chicken that come in that bag, you could just use mushrooms if you don't want to use the mushrooms. And I'm talking about like oyster mushrooms, or you can get some vegan shrimp. They got it at the Asian market too, so y'all can stop on over there. It's so many ways you could do this, y'all. Like, baby, I'm telling you, do what I do in this video, baby. You're gonna be satisfied. Get you some garlic bread to go with it. It's gonna be busting. And I ain't never tell y'all no lie. See them little chicken pieces? I cut them up or whatever. The ones I got them out the air fryer. And I mixed them in. Because I wanted some chicken Alfredo. And baby, when you vegan, you can't be eating that stuff no more. You can't. We got to do it vegetarian style. So, listen. Baby, it was hitting on all. Look at it all. Ooh, the best. I don't want to toot my own horn, but baby, the best. Y'all ain't, girl, stop playing with me, man. Go make that chicken Alfredo, that vegan chicken Alfredo. And then, like I said, everything is vegan, so don't be talking about some chickpeas, whatever you want to call it. Look, I'm telling you, it was busting. See y'all. Subscribe.